Hey coding birds. So basically in today's LeetCode problem of the day, we have a problem 1290 which is convert binary number in a linked list to integer. So basically it is a easier problem, and as the problem statement is given as given head, which is a reference node to a single linked list. The value of each node in the linked list is either 0 or 1. The linked list holds the binary representation of a number. Return the decimal value of number in the linked list. The most significant bit is at the head of the linked list. Okay, so basically here we have an example like 101, which is actually a binary number, and if we're actually converting our binary number to a decimal number, then we are actually getting it as a 5. So here output will be like 5. Okay, if I'm talking about here base 2, if I'm converting it to like binary to decimal number, right? So here we have a second example which is like 0. So we know that, well, if it is having only one value which is 0, so it is same in decimal value also, which is 0. So here output will be like 0 if some constants are given, like the linked list is not empty. Okay, so we don't have to like put this condition that our linked list is empty. Okay, number of nodes will not exist 30, and then after that each node's value is either 0 and 1. That means completely binary. Okay, so that means our linked list is having only binary numbers, and here the topics are like linked list and maths, and here some hints are given. That means here we have to just simply traverse. Okay, so how we can solve this problem? See, we know very well about how we have to convert it our binary number into a decimal number. If it is in a string integer form, then we can easily able to do it like by using this way. Okay, let's say here we have this 101. So what we'll do, first of all, we have to declare a variable which is num variable which is 0, which we have to return it, and this value is basically containing the we can say decimal value. Okay, so how we can do this thing? First of all, we have to traverse inside the linked list. So before that, first of all, we have to define here. So here our linked list is like list node, and on the behalf of that I have to create one more thing which is known as temp. Okay, and we know wherever temp variable is used for, it is actually temporary variables which are basically should traverse inside the linked list. Okay, and here we can simply say that temp is equal to head. That means it is currently pointing to this position. Let's say if I'm talking about example 1 here, which is like 101, so currently I'm actually pointing at this position. Okay, that means 1. Then after that, here our constant is like already given. That means the linked list is not empty, so we have to check for the numbers which is not which is like not empty. Okay, so here we can simply say that while temp is not empty, so we have to traverse till the temp is going to be empty. Okay, so here what we'll do, here we can simply perform the operations, and here we can just simply convert our binary numbers to a decimal number directly. Here we have to first of all create our integer type of variable which is like int num0. Okay, and inside that here we have to use it. Okay, that means here we have to store it inside the integer value num. Okay, so here we have to store our final decimal value. So here what we can do, here we have to simply num, which is multiplied by 2. Okay, and then we have to do addition of what, here we have to traverse it till our temp is not going to end. So here we can simply traverse temp's value. Okay, we have to simply store temp value also, and then we have to do temp is equal to temp next till the last position. That means until the temp will not become empty. So here we have to just simply do these things, and at the last we can simply return our num variable, okay, as a return. So if I'm returning it, I'm actually getting decimal value. So let's me try to compile and run. Okay, so here I'm getting an error which is like what? Okay, so here I have to create a node. Okay, let me try to compile again. Yeah, our compilation is completed. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.